Hey everybody, another service call. We've got a Schlage Mortise Lock here. It's got a deadbolt. What we're going to do is we're going to interrupt power to the lock if the deadbolt is engaged. So first thing we got to do is take this apart. This guy right here is what I like to use right here. Little hole there. Take this part off. Just like this. Once this guy is off, what I like to do is lay everything out in order. Take this guy off. 2 screws here. When you take this guy off, please make note of the orientation of this guy and also the spring. You don't want to lose him. Sometimes he blends into the carpet a little too good. Same thing with the front. Keep all this together. Lay it out in order. Next thing is going to be these 2 screws. After that's off, then we're going to take this guy. Straight back. Make note of the orientation of this guy. On this front here, just take your tweaker ever so gently, kind of go right in there to pull this faceplate off. Actually, before taking this off, let's take this guy off. So on the mortise, inside there, we loosen this screw up in order to spin this guy out. I wish I had the right tool for that. I do not. Just do what you can with what you got. And then now, ever so gently, this is not ever so gently. Okay, there we go. Inside of here, 4 screws right there. On this guy, there were some longer screws up top and some shorter ones on the bottom. Make note of that. And then for the mortise, we've got 2 screws here and here. Okay, give it a quick once over, make sure everything's out. Very gently, kind of maneuver this guy out. And I happen to know we had to do this on a couple of these, so I know which wires they are. And I'm going to take on this particular model, it's brown and pink, and we're just going to interrupt lock power. We're going to cut one leg of it, run down on the brown, come back on the pink, and that'll disengage lock power whenever the deadbolt is engaged. And since everything is laid out in order, then you just got to put everything back together in the order you have it laid out. Hope this helps.